Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video I am going to discuss about one more example of the weights and stationary random process or not. And this is the previous examination question. The example is a random process is given as x of t is equal to at, where capital A is a uniformly distributed random variable on 0, t. Find whether x of t is WSS or not. Coming to the solution, given that the random process x of t is at, where capital A is a uniformly distributed random variable over the interval 0 to 2. So therefore, the uniform probability density function of random variable capital A is f of A is equal to 1 by 2 over 0 to 2. So the condition for weights and stationary random process is that the mean of the random process must be constant and the autocorrelation function is depends on tau or independent of time t. First calculate the mean of the random process x of t. So the expression of expectation of x of t is integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into f of a into dA. Now applying the given data, so given that the range of the A is 0 to 2 and function x of t is at and density function of the random variable A is 1 by 2. So now we are integrating with respect to A, t by 2 is constant, that is written before integration. T by 2 integral 0 to 2 A into dA. Integral A dA is a square by 2 over 0 to 2, 0 to 2. So now substitute upper value of A and lower value of A, so which is equal to t by 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 0 square is 0 by 2. So therefore expectation of x of t is equal to t. So now here the mean of the random process or expected value of the random process x of t is depends on time t. Hence the given random process is not a stationary random process.